Hello friends, and welcome once again to my channel Travelloged. And here I am in my kitchen, things that I'm going to use. So first of all, I'm going to use the goat milk base, and next is the glycerin base, and these are the colors. And I'm going to use the citrus essential oil, and these are the molds I'm going to use. And today I'm going to try to make the base in the microwave. Let's see how it goes. So 1, 2, 3, let's start.
Hello friends, Travelloged presents today's vlog that is about making of homemade luxurious soap. So come, let's get started. So friends, do watch in my part 1 and part 2 vlog of soap making, and this is the third one. So in this one I'm going to use the glycerin soap base, and I'm going to melt it in the microwave oven. So we're going to chop and melt it in the oven. So once the pieces are put in the bowl, it goes, and now here it's ready. So we pour all the melted soap and start taking the colors that we like. We take a toothpick or something and just give it a mix, and lovely. You can use whatever colors that you want and add few drops and just mix it with the toothpick. So similarly we are going to take some more colors and add it to the other 3 soaps as well and mix it. So friends, we have already added the essential oils, which I have not shown it to you, but I have added it. And we have to remember that we have to pour it while it is quite hot. So now once it's done, we allow it to set. After a few hours, they are almost ready. So once they cool down, they look something like this, very colorful and attractive, right? So now we unmold them. So the first one, the heart shape, lovely. And you need to watch my previous vlog. And this is the other shape, the round one. Wow, look at this. Would you like to take a shower with this kind of soap? Definitely yes. So let me tell you that these soaps are quite expensive than the market soaps that you buy. If you are interested in buying them, then just DM me on my Instagram or Facebook, and you can learn to make them as well. They look very colorful, right? So friends, thanks for watching, and stay tuned to my Instagram for more updates.